But you see I got this all mounted up. Made this little tail section right here. Gonna get the seat covered next week. And I'm doing a little welding right now. I'm gonna weld up this front fender right here so it matches the back one like that. I'm gonna mock it up right here. You tell me what you think of it. Right here. She's gonna look like that. She's gonna look like that right there. Yay, fresh out of the oven. It just needs to be rejetted.
Tony, this thing either needs to have an proper air cleaner put on it, or we're going to have to jet it for no air cleaners. What you've got on there right now ain't going to work.
No way.
We're going to go ahead and sink the carburetors because they're off by quite a bit. But if you can get me the air inlet top with the air box with the air cleaner, that'd be a huge help. I think we have another BRG beast.